Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add smileys and emojis in Gmail. Let's begin. Once you've successfully accessed your Gmail, I want you to simply compose a new email. And then over here, we can add recipients, the subject line, and then the message, okay? Over here, we will have various sections we can interact with. And this icon, insert emoji, or you can easily use Control Shift 2. Click on that, then it will show all available emoticons or emojis in this platform. You can easily scroll down and find a specific emoji you would like to use, or you can navigate through these sections. They are categorized according to like emojis, people, animals, food, etc. Okay. If you're trying to search for a specific emoji, do it over here. Okay. Like for this fish, I have this emoji I can now use. Let's just say tree. It's that easy. Shrimp. Okay. It even has shrimp. So that's it. That's how you can easily add unique and cute emojis in your Gmail. I hope you found this video very helpful.